How to fix Snapchat baby filter lag on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat baby filter lag on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Snapchat and then click on it, and after that all you need to do just click storage and then click clear cache and then force stop, and after that go back to battery and here we'll find power saving mode. Disable it, maybe you'll find it like that, just disable it and then enable performance mode, and that's it. Now your problem will be fixed, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to system and updates and then software update. Now just update your phone, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.